car in today. We're getting these darkened. The privacy glass is too dark. I don't like it. Too dark for my liking. So what we're gonna do is we're taking this off from a, I think that's a limo all the way around, and it's 50 at the front. We're gonna go 50 all the way around. So that's what we're at in terms of what we're getting done today. Let's get it done.
REDLOX killing it.
You know what I think that we need to do, bro? I'll send you. Welcome back, YouTube. I'm going to show you the modification on this car. Maxton have come through. They sent me the side skirts and the front skirts. I'm just waiting on the back skirts to come. Today I'm going to show you how we get it on the side of the car and the front skirts. It's a carbon finish, which you should go for because it's the best one to go for. It's a bit more expensive, but with Maxton sponsoring me, they look after me anyway. So we're going to show you what it looks like. The car's getting prepped. And we're wiping it down, and then we're gonna just get the Maxton box on there. That's how the car looks like now without the depth on it. Once we put the skirts on it, then we'll see what it's saying. If you ever see this bodybuilder in the gym, Nathan, say hello to the camera. Hey. Welcome back, YouTube. It's the customization today. We've got the big generator on the back, so don't worry about that. But ultimately, today we're going to put the side skirts on the car, and we're going to also put on the front lip from Maxton, the carbon effect. This is the best one to go for if you guys are buying stuff off Maxton. I prefer to buy the carbon texture finish. It looks like carbon, it actually feels like carbon. The finish on it looks like carbon as well. So for me, the box is here, let's get it on.
REDLOX killing it.
So what we're doing is, we first take out these screws here, because you've already got screws in the car that give you like a good holder to go on. They're the screws. So we take them out. What we're gonna have to do is we need to get these corners off to get behind the corners. Like we're all right on the front, we're all right across the front here. As soon as we get to the corner, we need to secure the lip in. So when you secure the lip in, you need to go to the edges on the side. So with this, it's taking out a few more bolts and maybe dropping these covers to get behind so we can tuck in. Tuck them in properly. Have you guys ever seen a radiator here before? That's the thing, so much technology. I've never seen a radiator right underneath the car there before. When you switch the car off after you've been driving it a bit hard, it sounds like a jet engine, and now you know why. What, the other side?
REDLOX killing it.
We've got the side skirts done, we've got the front splitter done, we've got the gold badging on now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to darken these, and I'll probably powder coat them, and then I've got the side skirts coming for the back. That's a finished project. The only thing left then is we've got the side decals going on the car. I'm going to run some man-hot decals on the side of the car, on the rear diffuser, across the bottom, on the lines. This is happening hopefully next week. And on the front curvature there, it's going to look amazing. Hope you guys will like that. We'll come back to you. We are back today. We're going to get this rear diffuser splitter in. Maxton have sent the box. They sent it through quite quick, to be fair, and that's going to go on here, just the back piece there. We've got the side skirts on. To be fair, the side skirts on this, to be fair, are better than the M Performance ones, to be fair. I'm being honest with you, because they stick out just that little bit more. I'll show you when the car's finished. I think the Maxton kit is better than the original M Performance kit. If you look down here, you can see it sticks out that little bit more. So this is what it looks like and how we're going to put it together. If you can see, that's the carbon fibre look on it. It's actually coming together. So if you can see, we have to take this trim off to get it flush, to get this piece sitting flush inside it. What we're also doing is we're going to put a nice thin lip on this light, this headlight here, so we can see the indicator where it says that BMW, but then it's going to be a gloss wrap there. We're actually look really neat and nice there. We've got the adaptive, see there, and then running it across there, it actually makes the arches look more blown out. Just that little sort of touch there. Welcome back. To wrap it up, we customized the car. I've got it behind me, got it all washed up and clean for you guys. I'm going to show you what we've had done. These are the changes we have done to the car. So as you can see, all the badgings gone gold and black. We have the Maxton design lip around the back that carries on through the diffuser there. If you look through the Maxton side skirts, they look amazing on the car. We've also done the wheels with the golden cap covers to match the badging, complements the car. And when you look straight through to the front, you've got that nice Maxton design lip right there. That makes a car look genuinely like a finished article. Probably the best looking M5 on the road. Carbon finish coming onto the side skirts. How good does that look? Seriously. So yeah, with Maxton design, you get the, so just to give you a recap, we basically put the Maxton kit on all around, which gives you the 3D look around the car. We did the gold badging and the caps. We did the rear boot spoiler. We darkened the headlights. We also took off the original tints that were on the car that made it look way too dark. And also we put brows on the headlights. So we went over the edge there. You see where the top line is. We didn't want to cover the indicator because it makes the car look clinical and new. And we put the front lit Maxton on. So yeah, this is the finished article. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I personally feel like it's one of the best looking M5 F90s in the UK, especially with the spec of the car and the leather in it. What's your guys' opinion? I was going to put it to stage 1, but I like the way it drives at the minute, and if anything I might move on to my other project. Thank you for watching. Like and comment and do subscribe. Freakum.